Our full-size 3-fan LED imaging display. First off, the overall dimensions for this one will be 28.5 inches in diameter by 69.5 inches in height. 3 fan blades with LED beads within each propeller that will project that specific image that you're wanting to display or advertise. These can be used for any business, such as a restaurant, concession, or anything that you would like for displaying your products for sale. Please refer to our website for a demonstration and video to view more information about this product so you get a better sense of how the fan blades work. But with the control of your app on your phone or your computer, any image that you want to display will work for this full-size 3-fan imaging display. The connection for this one will be 110 and 120. And again, with LED beads are within each propeller that will project that specific image that you want to display or advertise. For more information on this product, visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.